guys, I'm Mortice from uklocksport.co.uk. This is a video of picking another 5-lever curtained Mortice lock. It's an Era Fortress. I've had this for a while, not been able to pick it. I use an ICL pick, and the wires that come with them are in the box over there, and couldn't get under some of the levers, so kind Mark on our forum made me a couple of wires. When they came through the other day, I had a play and opened it up. So thank you so much, Mark, my friend. You can see it's locked up, no working key with it. So I'm very new to these, or should I say rubbish at them, but it's all good fun. I have to keep glancing at the back of the camera as well to make sure you can hopefully see what I'm doing. So yeah, hopefully you can see that. So I'm looking for binding levers, and I do apologise for the lighting. See, 1 and 2 always feel quite sort of sloppy as going in. A couple of drops there. I found sometimes that's not always going into a false gate. It could have done. Move back a tad more. Oh, there you go. Lever 1 causing a bit of problem there. So as you can see, it's picked. Let's have a quick look at these levers if we can. Get myself an electronic screwdriver, I think. Whoops. Never mind, I'll find that afterwards. This happens in live videos, guys. Things ping everywhere. Hopefully levers won't come flying out, but nature of the beast, they probably will. Right, so hopefully you can see in there. Try and move it a tad closer. First one is a 5 stamped on the top. Second is also a 5. I'm going to end up ruining these springs, I think, if I spend that a tad, but never mind. That's number 5 on that one. Nothing on the third. There is 2 on the back. Don't know if you can see that. That's the way it's positioned in the lock. Fourth is number 3. And fifth is number 2. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, like I'm new and quite rubbish to these, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, please keep it legal.